I'd like to go ahead and talk about how to use the AirPod Pro properly. So first and foremost, I would like to say the AirPod Pro XL, as well as its predecessor, is not created for long-term makeup storage. So once you are done with a makeup application using the XL, you need to make sure to fully clean it. That's going to be the next segment. Let's go ahead and talk about how much makeup needs to be used in order for this to spray as smoothly as possible. Just as in its predecessor, the AirPod Pro, you need to make sure that the opening where the needle passes through on the inside of this mixing cup is covered with the solution you've chosen to spray through. So it's hard to see in this video, but your needle passes through the whole bottom, okay? Once it enters into the needle chamber, you need to make sure you have enough product in there to cover that whole opening. As long as that's completely covered, you're gonna have a beautiful spray. So sometimes that means that it's gonna have to be angled forward a bit, and that's fine, just as long as you've added enough product for that. Remember, this is intended for larger volumes of product. So for example, this is the Airbrush tanning solution, our infinite summer sunless tanning solution. And I've got about 2/3 of the cup here with the lid on. That means that I can turn it any direction and there is no spillage, which is fantastic. But I do need to remember that as it gets lower, I have to tip it forward a little bit more so that the product is always covering the needle opening.